So I have a Kate Spade bag that has cigarette smell and cigar smell. So we're going to do an ozone treatment. And I don't have a container to put it in, so I'm going to put it in a trash bag. Kate Spade bag in the trash bag. This is a home air filter that has UV and ozone as its feature. We're going to turn it on and we're just going to put this bag in front of it. And that's literally it. I'm going to leave it there for 15 minutes and then let it air out for 2 to 3 hours and repeat if necessary. You don't want to put too much ozone in it because it can discolor things like leather over time, but it will oxidize the smoke smells and lift it from the fabrics. That's a little better. I actually took some of the plastic and tucked it underneath, so it's a better seal. This is actually why they do ozone treatments for cars. It actually lifts the cigarette smoke from the fabrics in the car. Same deal. The main thing you want is an enclosed space to trap the ozone, so you can basically get the same home filter, put an extension cord out, put it into your car, turn it on, let it run for 15 minutes, and then air your car out for a few hours. Now, the reason why you don't want to run it for more than a few minutes and at most a few hours in like a house is that ozone is O3. It has 3 oxygen molecules, and it basically oxidizes most things that it comes into contact with because it really, really wants to be O2. Leaves an extra O molecule that attaches to other things. And oxidization is the same thing that happens with rust and with burning. So basically, rusting is very, very, very slow burning. So if you're breathing it in and filling a whole house, and if it gets attached to other things like plastics, you're basically very slowly burning them. And in doing so, some of the off gases from like plastics and other materials probably aren't the best thing to breathe, and also concentrated ozone, not the best thing to breathe either. Okay, let's see. Let's smell the bag. A lot better, but it probably needs a few treatments because that was really, really heavy cigar smell. So now I'm going to let it sit here for 2 or 3 hours, and I'm going to do it again. We just finished the second treatment of this for about 15 minutes again, and yeah, it's about 75% better. Probably going to do it a few more times just to get it kind of perfect so it has no smell at all. We've done 3 treatments on it so far. The outside, about 90% of the smell is gone. It'll be a little bit more to do so, but I'm going to turn it on and let it run on the inside now. Okay. Yeah, that's about 50% better than it was before, maybe 60 or 70%. A couple more treatments and this bag will be good to go. Okay, this is the 5th treatment that we're finishing up, and it was about 95% done before this. Took 5 sessions at 30 minutes each, and the cigarette and cigar smell are finally out. It was pretty heavy in there, but it worked.